I've just created this link tree so it's easier for you guys to contact me. You can do so through my Instagram or my crypto Twitter that I've just recovered. If you want to support me as a creator, you can do so over here and just send in a thank you message. Thank you guys.
How's it going, guys? I hope you are having a great week so far. We do have more fundamental news events this today, actually. So please be careful. For me, I am not simply trading. It's as simple as that. When there's fundamental news events, it's not the best time to trade. Saying that I did trade yesterday and profit, but that was a little bit before the fundamental news event. When market opened 2:30 for me, the New York session, that's when I was trading like the Nasdaq and the Dow. If you're interested in that sort of thing, as well as cryptos and learning, I do have a course that's 50% off permanently, and you get the Discord group chat, which I share my portfolio, my watch list of cryptos going forward for the next 3-4 years ahead. If you want one-to-one mentorship, I have a 10-hour long course for that. You get the 6-hour and 30 video pre-recorded course, as well as the one-to-one sessions, 10 1-hour sessions. Also included is my personal portfolio, the Discord group chat, and so on. So if you want to take action, hit the information button in the top right corner somewhere here. And you can simply click my Buy Me a Coffee link. You can book it through there without even contacting me, or you can contact me. Click the information button or the description down below and find my link tree, where it will take you to either my Instagram or my Twitter, and you can private message me there to take action. So with Bitcoin, with these two fundamental news events coming up, it seems like it's setting up for a bigger dump. So I've prepared the fibs, and we can see that our 382's at 21k, our zero point 0.5 fib is at 19,700, and our 618 is in an area of great, just a key area, guys. If you remember from summer last year, we were talking about this higher low of 18.6k, 18,600. We were saying at all costs stay above this, and we're keeping our higher lows and potentially heading up to the range high over here. And so we were maintaining it until the FTX capitulation, where we lost it, and that's a nail in the coffin, basically saying, okay, now we lost 18.6k right there. We're going lower than 17.6. This is what I was saying in the channel. As long as we're above this, we're going up to 25k. The moment we lose this, it's new lows. And so with that, we were expecting continuation, but it looks like, was that all a bear trap? Are we just now invalidating the FTX dump? Was it just a bear market scare, a bear trap, and now we're going onwards and upwards? So I hope that would be the case. We now are aware where we could be coming down towards the 618. It could be any three of these levels. Can you see this green box over here? If we come to the 382, reclaim the green box, hold its support, start to head up, that's great. You don't have to go lower than the 382, but most of the time you do. And these are your targets. Even on these freak occasions, you can come down to 17,200 over here at the 786 fib. So I wouldn't be surprised if we did something really ugly like this and then come back up, because we want the path of max pain. This is what the whole point of the market is, to take as much money away from retail as possible. But if we now scale over and look closer on the daily time frame, what's going on now, I can use some closer fibs from here to get some more specific targets to the downside. So although we've just mentioned all these key levels of support that could bring bounces, these are not specifically, that is the target 100%. I will show you what those targets are, and as long as the criteria is constantly being filled, which I'll of course let you guys know, and then yes, it will continue down to these targets. If we invalidate we can invalidate these targets by not following the path it should, and I'll show you how that occurs as well. So the fact that we went through the golden pocket here is not a good statement, but we will always prepare. We've got this green box underneath, we've got this gold box underneath. These are all levels of support. Last few days, maybe last 5 days, we were holding it as support, this 55, but now it looks like we're coming into the 200. This is basically saying, okay, we're just coming down to reset this uptrend for continuation upwards. So we see the moving averages above our head over here. I'm going to get rid of that blue one, it does not matter, we just need the purple one. And you can see this purple one's within this golden pocket over here. So if we were to push through this, reclaim it, hold its support, we could have just resetted this uptrend, reclaimed this, get above the 20 for continuation. Because when we got above the 20 moving average over here, look what happened. We continued up and made new higher highs. Although we lost it over here, we had the 55 and the 200 holding us up. So we reset the trend, the uptrend, by smacking that 200 and putting a new higher high. So all we need to do is hold this low, put in a higher low as long as we're above 21,400 and holding higher lows. It's going to give us an opportunity to head back up. But can we break above this golden pocket sitting at 22,800 and 23,250? If price can push through this, close daily candles above it, we're back to the range high of 25k. If we're just simply running into the 20 again as resistance, losing the 200, losing 21.4k, these are now your targets to the downside, which are pretty much tying into our 0.5 fib at 19,800, our 618 fib at 18.6k, and our 786 fib at 17.1k or 17.2k, let's say. So the more specific bearish targets, again, the ones I just mentioned are key levels of support which we could be expecting bounces from. However, targets to the downside after losing 21.4k would be 20,500, 20,500, 20,000, 19,300, 18,100, 17,300 and 16,900. These could all be met if the criteria is being held. So how does that occur? How do you even get down to 17,000? We would have to lose 21.4k and hit our heads on resistance. We will bring in some area over here, I'm not aware which one, could be the first, and that could be the bounce, or you come down to the 1618 and you bounce. As long as you maintain below this green box, which at that time, if we do lose it, I'll make it red. Currently it's green because it is support. If we lose it, I'll make it red resistance. But yeah, it doesn't matter how many times you bounce. If you're not reclaiming that, we will eventually continue lower. Okay, so it's very key to watch. This is why I've been putting emergency updates in the chart, because in the titles, because simply we could be losing the low and going lower, heading down to 11k, 12k, 13k. I don't want this to be the case. To be honest, I don't care. But for the bulls out there, I know that you're dying for this to go up. For you guys, I hope that's not the case. I simply don't care. If it goes down, I'm more than happy. If it goes up, I'm more than happy. I haven't accumulated too much, so that's why I'm happy. But as in, like, yeah, I haven't put more than what I'm willing to lose, basically. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video so far. So please do smash the like button, subscribe and comment, even if it's just an emoji. We need these algorithm boosters because honestly, the algo has just been absolute trash recently. Pretty much ever since the end of last year. But that's pretty much it for me. Again, I'm going to show you a little clip right now of how you can take action on the course and the mentorship. But I am in the process of making an ebook. It's going to be super cheap for everyone, and it's just going to go through the terminologies so you understand everything, some strategies, some patterns, some candlestick chart patterns, some chart patterns, as well as strategies. That's what I meant. Thank you guys. I'll show you that clip right now, but make sure you do like, subscribe and comment.
So I'll quickly show you guys how you take action, whether you want to support me or take action on the course or the mentorship. Simply hit this link tree over here on my homepage. It will then take you to over here where you can obviously just come from my YouTube. This is my crypto Twitter. I've just got it back, so help me reach 2,000 followers over there. I will be doing a 5,000 subscriber giveaway for my course over there. Free course giveaway will be on my crypto Twitter, so make sure you're following me there. I've just opened up an Instagram for anyone that's not on crypto Twitter, or not on Twitter, sorry. For those that just have Instagram, you can private message me over there to get started on the course or the mentorship. You do get the chat with both options as well. If you just want to support me as a creator, that's through here. But going back to my homepage, you can just simply click the Twitter button here, just to quickly go to Twitter, or you can click this section. Now, this section is a little bit different. Again, you can buy me a beer if you want. I know a lot of you have said that in the past. We're going to bookings over here. You can get the one-to-one mentorship. It goes through it, as well as the crypto course over here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you do like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next update. Peace.